Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to gift games on Steam and explain why sometimes you might not be able to. First, open your Steam app and log in with your username and password. Once logged in, go to the Store tab at the top, use the search bar to find the game you want to gift, then click on the game to open its store page. Next, click Add to Cart. When prompted, select Purchase as a gift instead of purchasing for yourself. Now, go to your cart and click Continue to Gift Options. From here, choose the friend you want to gift the game to from your Steam friends list. You can choose to send the gift immediately or schedule it for a later date, such as a birthday. After that, select your payment method and complete the purchase. Your friend will then receive the gifted game in their Steam account. But keep in mind, there are some cases where you can't gift a game. For example, if your friend already owns the game, if there are regional restrictions, or if the game's publisher has disabled gifting. Also, DLCS can only be gifted if your friend already owns the base game. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily gift games on Steam and know what to do if gifting isn't available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.